What's going on, photography fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best professional DSLR cameras in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these cameras, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comments section for us. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever about any of these products, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video and we'll respond as soon as we possibly can. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. The first camera we're going to show you today is the Nikon D850. Next up, we've got the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. The third camera we're going to show you today is the Pentax K-1 Mark II. Next up, we've got the Canon EOS 6D Mark II. Last but not least, we've got the Nikon D750. Alright, photography fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which professional DSLR cameras you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in.